Hi guys. Now we are coding in Python to create an online ATM. It was the process on ATM machine. We can check balance and withdraw money and deposit money through this coding. Remember, this is just the process in the machine. In this coding I am giving two self-accounts. This is first account. PIN 1234 and balance 1,000 rupees. In second account I am giving PIN number is 5678 and balance is 1,500 rupees. After giving two self-accounts, first we have to log into our account. First we have to give account number. Enter your account number. After that PIN number. PIN equals enter your PIN. After that it will check account status. If account number and self-accounts and self-accounts. Account underscore number PIN double equal to PIN. Then return account number. If the account number and PIN number is correct, def check balance, self-account number. Return self-accounts, account number check balance. Same as define withdraw, self-account number amount. If amount greater than 0 and amount less than or equal to self-accounts account number balance. The next video is the same ATM process using C language. If you don't know about the process using C, don't miss next video. For that, do subscribe to Coding by MOHAN. This process to check that account number and balance with balance inquiry and withdrawal and deposit. After checking all run equal to print welcome to the ATM. If account number is correct, then show the menu. Print check balance. Print withdraw money. Print deposit money. After completing transaction, print logout. For choosing the options, we can print choice equal to select an option. If choice double equal to 1. Balance equal to self check balance account number. Print your balance is $balance. Else if your choice is equal to 2. Choice 2 is withdraw money. So we can enter withdraw amount. After print transaction successful. If your enter amount is more than your balance amount, then print transaction failed. Make sure you have sufficient balance. Else your choice is double equal to 3. And choice 3 is deposit amount. If you enter the amount money, then the transaction successful. If you not enter money and click continue means print invalid amount. Else your choice is double equal to 4. Choice 4 is log out. After use break to stop the process. And above you enter a wrong choice number means print invalid choice. Please select a valid option. Or above you entered wrong account number or wrong PIN number. Print invalid account number or PIN. Please try again. After completing all coding, if name double equal to main, ATM equals ATM and run. Let's see this process is working or not. It was showing welcome to the ATM and asking to enter your account number. I am entering my first account number. It was asking about PIN number. If I entered wrong PIN number, it was showing invalid account number or PIN. Please try again. If I entered wrong account number or wrong PIN number, it was showing the same. From the starting, I am entering my second account number and PIN no, correctly. It was showing menu. If I choose third option to deposit, it was asking to enter deposit amount. Transaction successful. If I choose the first option to balance inquiry, it was showing total amount after deposit 2,000. For more coding videos.do, subscribe to Coding by Mohan.